We are up an hour earlier this morning because we are going to be checking out the new Quakes building this morning. It's currently in construction in Vancleave, Mississippi, which is the opposite direction of where I usually drive to commute to work every morning. So I'm going to be showing you guys the new Quakes location, and I will show you guys when I get there. Alrighty, we're in Vancleave, and we are about to be pulling into the new property. It's really cool how this property was built over this last year. And this is where I'm going to be commuting to work every day here in 2026. There it is. There it is. The first Quakes wholesale distribution center. Good morning, Jules.
They be pumping.
They be bumping up in here?
She is dominant.
I know, right?
I'm like, every time I look at her, I'm like, I'm waiting to see. I see a little bit of I see a little bit. Well, thank you. I'm telling you, I like
What's going on, man?
I'm turning your jams down a little. Y'all are doing amazing. See, does it look like spilled milk? Isn't that the funniest thing ever? And see, when he first did it, look at the spilled milk.
Spilled milk? That's funny.
But what's good is we got this so that they didn't. But I said when he first started doing it and you put the black in there, I was like, this is giving me Quakes vibes. You know the back area where it's all peeled up? Yeah. I'm like, please, we cannot. This cannot be what it is. Yeah. Permagran, I love it. See?
The Permagran.
She can be my assistant.
What's gonna be
The new Quakery.